Okay, hey guys, so I know my video, I think the last one I asked you guys like, oh my goodness, first of all, this is in the way. I said, oh my goodness, let me know if you want me to repot those plants from tropicals, right? And I got too excited, didn't even give you guys a chance to comment under the video, and I ended up repotting them like either that night or the next day. So I won't do that anymore. Either I'll just record me repotting the plants anyway and just upload it, or I won't say nothing. But yeah, so I'm gonna put a picture somewhere either right now or when I'm repotting this other plant of what my soil mix looks like, because I think that's the most confusing part to everybody when they're repotting their plants. They're just like, okay, what do I put in it, blah 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 blah. So I'll put a picture up at some point, but it's basically like leca, perlite, a regular soil mix from the not grocery store, like Home Depot or Lowe's, charcoal, and I think that's about it. Oh no, like cocoa husk or cocoa husk chips, one of those things, just to make it like chunky and aerated. I can never find the large perlite, so I just use the regular bag. But anyway, I figured since, did I just hit that? I think so. Sorry. So I figured since I messed up that other repot from the tropicals order, that I would come with my new plant, okay? Because I know you guys have heard about the Anthurium craze with Home Depot and the DocBlock Michelle's. If you don't know, I don't know. Yeah, maybe you're just not into plants like that. I don't know. But basically, DocBlock, they did their TC thing and then released a bunch of Anthurium Michelles to random Home Depots. I'm sure just like with the Tycons, eventually they'll be everywhere and then they'll probably be like 20 bucks. But right now they are like 90 something. And I got one. So this thing is huge. It's huge. I don't know if I'm gonna keep. Okay, so there's the thing. It looks like there's two in one pot, so I'm happy about that. I'm in Pennsylvania. This one was in New Jersey, and someone got it for me. And we did a little trade-off. Like she got it, I picked it up. I said thank you. She was so nice. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then it has like the official, what's backwards for you guys, but has that little label up in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty hyped. Yeah. It's beautiful. These leaves are huge and they feel firm. Like Home Depot stepped it up with this one. Like, and when they become cheaper, I'll probably just end up getting another one, because I don't know if I'm going to keep both of these. I don't know if I'm going to sell one. I don't know what I'm going to do. But right now, I have to get it out of this container for sure, because Home Depot, we don't keep anything in that soil mix. So I figured I would do that with you guys. Now the problem is I don't have a setup for you guys to watch me do this, so I'm kind of gonna have to lift this a bit. So okay, now let's get a look at these roots. Okay, let me hold this. So very good. I don't see anything that looks funky on it. They look helpful. Soak their roots just to like get them to loosen up. I'm a little rougher than that, so I was able to separate them like this. So root system looks pretty good. This is the big one and this is the little one, but this, I can get a little bit more, and it looks like it was potted in like I guess like maybe peat moss or something. So of course when you separate a plant like that, you're gonna lose some roots, which is fine. It looks like this is the newest leaf on this plant, which is very nice. This is what the roots are looking like. I can work with this. It's more than enough. Looks very nice. And these are the itty bitty leaves. There's some area roots here, so I'm gonna make sure to bury those. That way that next leaf can come in nice and strong. So this is what this one looks like. And then the other one, of course, get some of these extra roots off now. Oh my gosh. So this is the root system here. I might actually just trim some because it's just too much. And this is what this leaf looks like. I'm assuming, yeah, that's the newest leaf. And then here's the rest of them. So we got 2 Michelles. They look so good. Very excited. Let me see. Cool. So, all right. I'm going to pot them up separately, obviously. I'm going to also spray them with this. In this is a little bit of alcohol, neem oil, dishwashing liquid, and peppermint oil. So whenever I get a new plant, I like to spray the roots just in case. And then I like to also spray the leaves. And sometimes I wipe it off, sometimes I don't. It just all depends on the mood. So that's up to you guys if you want to wipe the leaves off or not. Another thing that I've noticed is that the plants that I have that I've grown from seed, those are in no drainage. I felt like all of my Anthurium were in no drainage, but the thing is I've grown a lot of them from seed, so that's why they're in no drainage. The ones that I get that are seedling size, oh, and I did lose 1 leaf, so it was a cutie too. Cute. But yeah, the ones that I get that are like seedling size, maybe like that leaf, like this size or a little bit smaller, those I've noticed that I tend to put them in pots with drainage. I don't know if it's just because I don't know how those roots are, you know what I mean? Like when you grow it from seed, you already know exactly what the roots can handle, and it's like your plant from a baby, pretty much. But when you get it from somewhere else, it still needs time to acclimate, and I don't know. But I definitely noticed that recently. I'm just like, all of my plants aren't in no drainage, but a good amount are. So I have 2 containers. Let me actually see if this is gonna fit in this. Ooh, this might not fit in this container. Wow, do I need to get a different container? Or should I just... Well, first of all, let me cut off some of these roots and put out maybe 1 or 2 more leaves. Then I'll probably just upsize it. So it's this little, like a little takeout container, the little iced tea cups. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna top it off with moss. It has it has a little mesh piece in the bottom, and then I put holes with my soldering iron. So that's pretty much what it's gonna look like, which I'm cool with for the moment. I think that should do. So let me fill this in and then I will come back when I'm done. Okay, so the first one is done. This is the second one, which fits a lot better into this container. And ooh, it's a little wobbly. I'm gonna try and get the aerial root down in the container again, but it's pretty much the same. This one's a little bit more narrow. So just gonna pot this up. I want to know how many of you guys went and got this plant, or if you're just gonna wait until it gets a little bit cheaper, or are you not into Anthurium so you don't care? I'd like to know, because I wasn't gonna get it at first. Like, I was just talking, you know, to somebody about it, and then somebody offered to get it, and I was just like, oh, all right, cool. That saves me a drive. That's how I ended up getting it, and it's cute. I don't mind it, and it's a good price for it for right now. But of course, it's gonna get cheaper. So you guys know how that goes with these plants. So here it is. Should I add a little bit more? And that's another thing. You're potting, everything just like gets everywhere. But I think that's all right. So this is what the smaller one, which is crazy because the smaller one is like a pretty large Anthurium in my collection now. So they look so cute. They are both potted up now. This is the larger one. There's no point in me trying to squeeze all the leaves in there, just the main two. And then this is the smaller one. They look so cute. Definitely satisfied with the purchase here. And like I said, I'm just gonna leave them in these containers until they acclimate a bit. I didn't want to upsize them too much, and I did do some root pruning. So here are my DocBlock, well, let's say Home Depot DocBlock Michelles. They look good. I'm satisfied. You guys let me know if you'd be interested in an Anthurium tour. Not a plant tour because it's too much. But I can do a tour of all of my Anthurium. What I can do is just pull them off the shelves and then show them to you guys like this, one by one. Possibly put up a picture of what they look like when I first received them, or yeah, basically just like seedling pictures of them. So yeah, if you guys are interested in me doing an Anthurium tour, let me know, and that'll be my next video. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you in the comment section. Great white. So I use this and water my plants. And then I also sometimes use, what is it? Did I throw the bottle out? TPS1. Sorry. I use TPS1 for a fertilizer. And then I'll add in some Foliage Pro. Yep, that's it. So simple, not too bad. All right, so I'm going to water these a little bit, and that is about it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.